Well, we are still waiting for the recommendation of the Price Coordinating Council, but siguro next week formally matatanggap na ng DA yung kanilang rekomendasyon. And the recommendation, I believe, is going to be to declare an emergency. The reason that we are doing this is ginawa na natin lahat upang ibaba ang presyo ng bigas. Ngunit the market is not being allowed to work properly. Hindi nasusundan ang demand and supply curve dahil hanggang ngayon kahit ibaba mo lahat ng inputs, ang pagbenta pa rin mataas pa rin. And so we have to force that price down and we have to make sure that the market works properly, na walang friction cost na nangyayari dahil sa sari-sari iba't ibang bagay at yung iba doon illegal, kaya ito nang iniimbestigahan ngayon ng Kongreso.